In this iContact review, we will explore what this platform offers and whether it could be the best email marketing platform for you. So to get started, have you ever wanted to send emails to a lot of people at once? That's what iContact help you do. It stated what iContact as a way for business to talk to their customers through email. Think of it as sending a group text, but way more powerful. Want to send email automatically? You can automate that with iContact. So, for example, if someone's new signs up for your emails, iContact can automatically send them a welcome message. That's automation in action. So getting started with iContact is like getting a simple but powerful tools for talking to your people online. So talking about the best features of this platform, to come with a different type of features. So iContact today isn't just about sending emails. It has some really cool things built in, can help you do even more. These features make it easier to connect with your audience and see what's working for you. So one of these best features is the landing page together with the automation, and it also comes with a report card and a form manager with a schedule manager. So all these together makes this platform works more better and more powerful. And talking about the pricing plan, it comes with the starter plan and other plans are yet to be revealed. So if you want more about this, you can simply get back to the customer service on the platform to get more information about the pricing plan. And talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the bad side and the good side of a particular platform before you can simply decide if it is the best tools for you. So talking about the good side of this platform, it's a very affordable option, an affordable option for you, valuable automation and helpful analytics with an effective landing page, which is a good integration. So talking about the downside, limited access to advanced features, a deliverability concern, and a template customization with a customer support is kind of really weird, and the free plans are limited. So that's it for now. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it.